Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. The Fifth Vibrational Frequency, a Higher Level to Oneness. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. April 28, 2021. Humanity's evolution is slow, painful way of returning home while we pass darkness and trials haunting us every minute of every waking time. We are harassed in between night rest as still we cannot see the end of the tunnel even at dream time or even after an astral travel to the universe. Definitely, we experience a little joy and fleeting happiness in the process, while at this divisive stage. We repeatedly made our daily prayers to the Supreme Creator about these endless pains, and the universe answered our prayers. From every unknown galaxies and the stars, the source and light messengers provide intense energetic lights to flow into every cell of our bodies for strength and sustenance, providing us awareness and many others awakened. Humanity now is open, allowing and accepting the intense energies penetrate every cell of our bodies, empowering us to merge mind, heart, body, soul. We felt and knew the descent of soul to the human body, threefold flame of life, pink, yellow, gold, and blue flames. The pink flame of love corresponds to the sacred heart chakra, love, the blue flame of divine God's will and power to the throat chakra, and the yellow flame of illumination to the crown chakra, wisdom and infinite intelligence. This truth makes us desire to seek divinity and transcendence within, and provide the avenues of merged bodies and souls join the collective consciousness of mankind, the necessary elements to the shift ascension. Humanity is burdened, haunted by rooted dark systems of government, financial, military, pharmaceutical controls, curtailed our movement and freedom. Constitutional, or ideological methodologies never worked, creating mass shootings, war, hatred, bigotry, terrorism and chaos in whatever form, including the longest blow on us, pandemic that controlled the world literally for almost 1.5 years, deadlock, causing death to 3.2 million and 150 million infections or 2+% deaths of the infected, based on hospital records, a tragedy specifically if a loved one died, causing depression and anxiety. These connects to controls set at the time of reptilians and Anunnaki dark agenda slavery concept for their good and easy life, painful for the oppressed. Light energies from every portal, from Sol, from the stars, galaxies, universes, and light beings are closing in, entering every light portal of awakened and asleep individuals and share wisdom with 7 billion totally asleep humans for awareness to creep into their souls. Feel the high frequency, what is within and what is inside affecting our evolutionary makeup to what we aspire to be, wholeness, oneness with the Creator. Understand dark is also within and how to control hate programmed by the dark lurking within is acceptance that this is part of our evolutionary experience. Everything is a part of you, humanity, light or dark, positive or negative, God's way of feeling human physicality, first an irony of truth at realization to gain experience. This knowledge puts in place our desire to go within, and feel peace and harmony with self and others in all forms. These seeming realities, and events prepare us to the shift to that happy and joyful place we know as heaven, the next higher vibrational frequency filled with unconditional love, and the virtues associated with divinity. There are other much higher levels, frequencies to aspire for after this event, almost infinity to our journey to one. That is our great resolve to accelerate the growing collective consciousness of humanity, double her efforts to make the shift happen. It is high vibration that can further remove the shackles of limitations imposed by unreal authority, as high vibrations will engulf systems and controls set by anyone. Revolution, peaceful or civil wars never attain real freedom, but install new tight controls. We light workers perform the jobs we volunteered to do, raising the consciousness of Mother Earth, and the collective consciousness of humanity to a higher rung from where we are at the fourth frequency. The tasks will further require our deep love for Mother Earth, the satellite carrying all of us riders incarnate of universal diversity, the reason it is hard for us to coexist. We fail to appreciate this love of our host as we have destroyed the beautiful planet that sustains and feeds us, allowed us to ride the storm, supply us oxygen to breathe, assure the maintenance of atmosphere with hydrogen and nitrogen that protect us from outer space debris falling as meteorites. Worse, we created and released 2 atomic bombs that can annihilate Mother Earth. More than 18,000 bombs of atomic or nuclear are stored at human military arsenals in the name of détente. The truth is we, U.S. President Truman, detonated 2 atomic bombs killing millions in the process, when General Yamashita has surrendered. What are we doing? These are the real human annihilation facts we forgot in the name of détente. Awaken, maintain the balance at our water planet, eliminate nuclear and atomic bombs, and make her a satellite of loving grace for all beings at her bosom. We are never late, We are uplifted into a higher frequency with all the help of the universe, the Supreme Creator. Darkness is slowly disintegrating, program designed by Creator. Light beings are assisting, helping us in our task to transfer to the next higher level. We, the awakened one strong collective consciousness of humanity, should always stay at a higher vibration, as this is the only way to overcome the darkness that restrained and restricted us and our Mother Earth for 1,000,000 years. This feeling of high vibration will catapult humanity to the shift. Move to that happy and joyful place of unconditional love, and the virtues associated with divine love. We all join the collective consciousness of humanity on Earth, and will make shift, ascension happen. Knowing or unknowing, everybody receives intense flow of light energies from all that is, everything, our armor, shield, the light, and love that will catapult us to the 5th level. Light and Love from Angel V. Ornedo Jr., about the author. Angel teaches love, light, oneness and unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations, creating jobs, as faculty member lectures and share teachings at universities and college, boards and associations.